This video, we will present about computer programming project. Our program is BELK and our lecturer name is Lim Witab. Our title of our project is Quick and Easy Theater Seat Booking. Okay, let me introduce our members. First, we have Mohamad Hazeem, and second, Mohammad Faiz. Third is me, Siti Rahmah, and fourth is Nurul Syafiqah. Our introduction. The UTEM Theater Club is planning a theater performance in August 2024, utilizing a seminar room with a seating capacity of 150. The club aims to address issues such as a limited seating, difficulty in determining seat availability, and long ticket counter lines. To solve this problem, a system is proposed that visualizes the seating chart, dynamically updates seat availability, and allows online seat selection and booking. The system will streamline the ticket purchasing process, minimize long queues, and ensure efficient seat utilization. Our project background is the seminar room for the UTEM Theater Club's performance consists of 15 rows with 10 seats in each row. Okay. Second is seating arrangement are divided into three categories. The categories seat of this project is the first one is VIP zone seat in row 1 until row 5. Second is standard zone seat is from row 6 until row 10. The commonly zone seat is row 11 into row 15. This system can manage the display, the availability of these seats is important to ensure that fans can easily book the seat their desire. Okay, our objective first is maximize seat utilization, which is just have 150 available at that room. Second is simplify seat availability check. Make it easy to see which seats are available and which are already booked. Third is reduce ticket counter wait time, which is minimize or eliminate a long line at the counter ticket.
So next, the problem statement. The problem statement is like the UTEM Theatre Club want to hold a theatre performance in August 2024. They have chosen a seminar room at UTEM for the event, which will only have 150 seats available. However, the club is facing some problem, which is one, limited seating, because only 150 seats are available and making it hard to accommodate everyone who want to attend. The second one is difficulty in knowing available seat. It's challenging to find out which seats are still free. And the last one, the long line at the counter ticket. People have to wait in long queue to buy their ticket. So this is the solution for the problem I have said before. So the number one is digital ticket system. The digital ticket system is to move the ticket sales online to reduce the long queue. And the second one is visual seating chart. Visual seating chart is implement a dynamic seating chart showing the real time seats availability. And the number three is user friendly interface, which is provide an easy to use interface for selecting and booking their seats. And the solution number four is dynamic update, which is automatically update the availability of the seat as reservation are made by the user. And the last one is price calculation. So the price calculation is like calculate the ticket price based on the different seats categories that user are choose. So this is our system design. The first one is we want to initializing the seating chart. The seating chart will be represented by a 2D array. Each element of the array corresponds to a seat in the concert hall. And the second one is display function. The display function will print the seating chart, providing a visual representation of seat availability. And the third one is reservation function. The reservation function will allow user to reserve seat by specify the row and seat number, and it will check if the seat is available and update the seating chart if the seat if is taken. And the number four is user interaction. The user interaction is to enhance user interaction, and the system will continuously display the seating chart and allow user to select the seat. So uh, the system will show the total price, and they also calculate based on the seat category that the user choose.
Okay, now we jump into the solution. Okay, the purpose solution involves developing a system that visually represents the seating chart of the concert hall and dynamically updates the availability of seats as reservations are made. The system includes a user-friendly interface for selecting seats and calculating prices based on seat categories. Okay, next, I talk about the design of input file. We have two input file. The first one is seat availability. Second one is the seat prices. Okay, on my left side, it's the seat availability. So I'll explain about the seats. If it's hashtag, it shows that the seats is available. If it shows a star, it means the seats had been reserved. Alright, on my right side is the seat prices. Okay, I will explain to you each row why is it the prices are different. Okay, if it's row 1 until 5 is the VIP seats, which is consists of 100 ringgit per seat. Alright, next, row 6 until row 9, which is standard seat. Standard seat, the price for each seat is 50 ringgit. Okay, now we jump to the last seat, which is economy seat. Economy seat starts from row 10 until row 15. The seat prices for each is 25 ringgit. Okay, next, we talk about the coding of the system. In the theater ticketing system, the console output allows users to view the seating chart, request tickets, and sales of the report. In this case, we have two input files, which is seatavailability.txt and seatprices.txt. Okay, input file seatavailability.txt and seatprices.txt provide initial seat availability and prices. When a user requests ticket, the system confirms the seats and the total cost before booking. Alright, for example, if the first customer books 7 seats at row 7, which is VIP seats, which is 100 ringgit per each, then the next customer books 5 seats in row 10, which is standard seats, and the seats is 50 ringgit per each. The sales report, printed by pressing 3, shows seats sold, available seat, and total sales. Updating the seat result, which is we have output file, which is seatresult.txt. Alright, the final seating and serve summary will shown there. Okay, this is the console output for the example that I give it just now.
Next, implementation. For the first one, developing the functions. For example, implementing the initialization, display, reservations, and user interaction functions. And next, setting up the environment. For example, C++ will be used to develop the system, leveraging its capability for handling arrays and user input. And the last one, testing. For ensure that the system works correctly by testing various scenarios such as a reserving available seat, handling already taken seat, and calculating price accurately. For this part is benefits. For the first one, efficiency. To reduce the time customers spend queuing to buy seats by allowing them to choose seat through a machine, which is kiosk. The second one is user choice. Despite by providing three types of seat, customer can choose seat according to their preference and budget. The last one, real-time updates. To ensure that the seating chart is always up to date. To reduce the likelihood of booking conflicts. Last but not least, the conclusion. In conclusion, the proposed Teater seat booking system for the UTM Teater Club addresses the key challenges of limited seating, unclear seat availability, and long ticket counter lines. By providing an online booking platform with a real-time seating chart, the system intensifies the ticket purchasing experience, optimizes seat usage, and reduces wait time, ultimately improving the overall experience for both the club and the audience. That's all from us. Thank you.